Kayak fishing offers a unique fishing opportunity, and with its growing popularity, our Force family just got bigger with the Force Current kayak trolling motor. The Force Current mounts to the stern of most kayaks using an industry-standard 4-hole mounting pattern. These motors feature a high-efficiency brushless motor that's capable of being run on a 12 or 24-volt system. Not only are brushless motors more efficient, but they require less maintenance, are quieter to operate, and provide superior performance. The Force Current has the ability to be operated completely hands-free with the optional power steer foot pedals, which can be secured with a wide range of mounting options to fit your setup. When using the foot pedals, you can maintain control of your kayak while keeping your hands free to cast or unhook your catch, or even eat lunch. The foot pedals have multiple different operation modes. You can operate them in zero turn mode, where when you push with both feet, you go straight, you pull back with your left foot to turn left, or your right foot to turn right. And one of the coolest things it does is you can push down with your heels to kick it in reverse. We also have rudder mode. This will allow you to push the right pedal forward to go right, and the left pedal forward to go left. You may have also noticed these foot pedals have buttons that come preset to engage heading hold and anchor lock, but you could even program one to mark a waypoint on your compatible Garmin chart plotter. Whether you're looking at the Force Current with or without the power steering foot pedals, both packages are offered with Garmin's tried and true trolling motor remote. With a sunlight readable display and intuitive design, it offers precise steering, anchor lock, and speed adjustments at your fingertips. And it still has the gesture steering that allows you to point the remote in the direction you want your kayak to go. And the customizable buttons allow you to program hotkeys to pull up a preset on your compatible chart plotter. With the easy press of a button or tap of your foot, you can engage anchor lock to keep you in place thanks to a precise multi-band GPS antenna that's built into the trolling motor. Anchor lock can be key when fishing specific features on your lake, pond, or in the ocean, and this motor is also able to engage reverse prop spin to reduce steering activity while in anchor lock. And if you find yourself wanting to make small adjustments to your anchor lock location, use anchor jog to make 5-foot adjustments with the press of the arrow keys in the direction you want to go on your remote. When you pair your Force Current with your Garmin chart plotter, you can create routes that you want your motor to follow to get you across the lake or to help you troll for those trophy walleye. You'll be able to make all the same adjustments that your remote can right on your MFD. We've included a wireless man-overboard tag with the Force Current that will shut the motor off if it detects you fall overboard. This first-of-a-kind tag can either be clipped to your PFD or can be worn like a watch with the included watch bands. Stowing and deploying the Force Current is very easy. No more crawling to the front of your kayak to stow or deploy your trolling motor. With a simple pull of the cord, you can raise your motor out of the water, allowing you to float into those hard-to-reach areas, and it makes launching and getting back to shore a breeze. When you get back to the launch and are packing up for the day, you can easily remove the Force Current for travel by disconnecting the power cable with a quarter turn and loosening the mounting knobs. Now your trolling motor and kayak are ready to go in the back of the truck. So if you're looking for a kayak trolling motor that's unlike anything you've ever seen, then look no further than the Force Current from Garmin.